Hadley's on a train.
As we round this next curve, look to the left of the engine. Notice the pile of rocks painted white with a white marker on top. This marks the spot where silver traces from the Silver King mine were first discovered in early April of 1881.
Hadley! Hi, sweet baby.
To the right is one of the original ore cars, taken out of an abandoned mine shaft. The miners would push these out of the mines and stockpile their ore until they had a trainload full. Then it was shipped to a processing mill on a train similar to the one you're riding on now. This large area to the left of the train was known as East Calico. It was the main residential district of the Calico town site. Miners with families